Welcome to the Solax Instructional Installation video series. We will guide you through the installation and commissioning of BI Pro. We will provide detailed step-by-step instructions to ensure the successful installation and commissioning of BI Pro. Before installation, we kindly request that you take a moment to scan the QR code to read BI Pro installation guide and familiarize yourself with all the warnings and caution notes. First, let's get started with the introduction of BI Pro. BI Pro integrates BI and Switchbox, reducing the steps of installation and wiring. Here are the introduction of terminals. Please prepare the following tools before installation. Let's briefly go over what comes in the package of BI Pro. Use the mounting reference paper as a template to mark the screw hole location on the wall, and drill at least 7 holes on the wall. Use mallet to knock the expansion tubes into wall. Secure the bracket on the wall with tapping screw and washer using torque wrench. Hang the BI Pro on the bracket. Secure the BI Pro by screwing in the tapping screw with washer on the bottom of BI Pro. Before wiring, please prepare appropriate wire and Torx according to the following table. Unlock the upper cover of BI Pro and take it down. Unscrew the inner plate screws with screw marking and take it down. For the grid breaker has the same installation with the ESS breaker and backup breaker. Here, we take the grid breaker for example. First, loosen the original terminals. Then, install the hexagonal stud. Finally, install the Eaton main breaker and fix it with screws. For subpanel, disconnect the bonding jumper between ground bar and neutral bar. After that, please remember to fix the screws back. Unscrew the waterproof plug and install the waterproof pipe. Insert the grid cables into the pipe and grid ports, and fix them. Unscrew the waterproof plug and install the waterproof pipe. Pass the backup cables through the pipe, and connect them to backup ports. Install the branch circuit breaker. Unscrew the waterproof plug and install the waterproof pipe. Insert the ESS cables to ESS ports and fix them. Connect the other ends to the inverter's grid port. Insert the ESS cables and connect the additional ESS cables to additional ESS ports. Install the branch circuit breaker. Unscrew the waterproof plug and install the waterproof pipe. Insert and fix the solar cables to solar ports. Install the branch circuit breaker. Unscrew the waterproof plug and install the waterproof pipe. Insert and connect the generator cables to generator ports. Install the branch circuit breaker. Unscrew the waterproof plug and install the waterproof pipe. Insert and fix the smart load cables to smart load ports. Unscrew the waterproof plug and install the waterproof pipe. Insert and connect the non-backup cables to non-backup ports. In the service equipment scenario, do not disconnect the bonding jumper, and the Eaton breaker must be installed for grid connection. Connect the grid cables to the grid ports and cover the main breaker's plastic safety caps. For other connection, please refer to the previous wiring. Unscrew the waterproof plug and install the pipe. Pass the communication cable with terminal block through the pipe and connect it to the INV port of BI Pro. Connect the other end to the inverter. For installing EPO on the BI Pro, remove the factory installed jumper from pin 7 and 8 of the 8-position AUX connector inside the inverter. Then, use minimum 24 AWG conductors to connect pin 7 and pin 8 to a suitable emergency stop switch. After wiring, remove the covers of the breakers installed. Install the inner plate and fix it. Paste the attached label in the appropriate place as follows. Open the breakers installed. Install the upper cover and fix it. First, enter the basic menu. Turn the system switch on. Enable Smart Switch, and you can change the settings below. Choose 120 volt or 240 volt. When you change it from auto to manual, you can do manual switching on or off. Select Priority. Priority 1 Essential. Priority 2 Everyday. Priority 3 Additional Comforts. If you choose the same priority, then it will be in order of CH1. CH2, CH3. Choose start and end time. Choose the disconnect SOC. This function only works when off-grid. Enable the solar inverter function when connecting to the solar inverter. When you change it from auto to manual, you can do manual switching on or off the inverter. Thank you for watching.